let me let me show you how you can create an email without using phone number, how you can sharply create email and get a verification. Let me show you how you can create emails for free, like thousands of emails without having a phone number, without a lot of verification process, right? So if you're watching this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube account. Make sure you like this video and share this video to others, right? So the first thing we are going to do now, we are going to Apple Store because I'm on my iPhone. So we'll get to Apple Store. Then I want you to search for Insta like search for this. All right, so we are here. So once you get here, look at this app. Make sure you pay attention to the logo. That's very important. I don't want you to go get another app and you think I gave you a wrong one. So I'm going to click on get. All right, so I'll just click on get. Let's wait for it a little bit. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube account if you're watching my video for the first time. So I'm going to click on open. Here is the logic. I'm going to click on open. All right, so I'm going to click on open. Hold on. All right, so this is it. This is where the logic is going to happen. For example, you can see at the top here where it said add email address. Then the other one say create an address automatically, right? So if you want to verify something and you don't want to like create an email by yourself, all right, maybe you just want a random email, just click on create an address automatically. Then do you agree to the terms of use? Then click on yes, watch and see, then give it a minute. Amazing. So now look, an email address has been created. So we just created an email address right now. So if you want to test this email address, so just copy it. All right, just copy it. Then I will close this particular one. So I'll go to my email now and send an email. Then we'll check our inbox below. Do you get? So I'm going to my email now. So I'll just go to my Gmail. All right, so I'll go to my Gmail now. So I'm going to send message from my Gmail. So I'll just click here. I'll type testing here. So I'll put the email I copy here. Then I will say testing. Then I'll click on send. The email has been sent. So I will go back here. So what I'm going to do now, I'll go to the inbox. Make sure you look inbox. Then I'm going to refresh this. I'll wait a little bit. Email will be delayed after 30 days. Important email can be protected. So I will still refresh. You see now. You see. So imagine that if you want to verify, site, you can actually use this, and trust me, it's going to work very well. So here is the email testing. So you can use this email to create can use it to verify a site that you don't want to use your personal email, right? Maybe for example, there is a website asking you to insert your email and you don't want to like put your personal email. You can come here to create as much as you can, right? So another thing I'm going to show you is how you can create the email using the preferred name you want. All right, create an email address with expiration. So I'm going to click on, after they create an email address automatically, let's click on design it an address. So I will just click on it. You get, so enter an account name of your choice. So here, for example, I'm going to say CBX updates. I'll just say CBS updates. So clicking on CBS update, I'll click on this place to choose the end part where how do I want the email to be? Since okay, you know, stuff like at gmail.com, at yahoo.com. So here is going to be like a web mail, right? So you are going to look for the one that you prefer. You're going to look for the one that you prefer. So all this you can use it. All this you can use it. So look for anyone that you think is cool for you. All right, so I could just decide to use this. I will use this one. Then once you are done using, so what I'm going to do now is create an email address. So I'll just click here and relax. We just create, so you can see CBS update at mail4.uk. So what I'm going to do now, just copy this thing. Make sure you always test. So I'll copy this and I'll go to my email again and I'll click on compose. I'll paste it here for testing. Then I will still say text. Then I will say then I'll click on send. Then let's wait a minute. So we'll go here. Let me close this first. We'll go here. Then we'll refresh. All right, so you can see we have our email now. The first one there, if I click on it, it's going to come up with what's up with you. So please, if you're watching this video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube account. Like this video so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you just watch, you won't miss out. So the next thing is, if you want to add this email address to your phone, just like your other email, come, let me show you. Or you want to use this email for as an SMTP server, you can actually do that. All right, so bear with me, let's go. So stay with me. So I'm going to click on this address. Look out below, it say address. So I'll just click on it. Then once you click on it, what I want you to do here is go on your preferred email. For example, we have about 3 email here. We have Gigos was at. So I'm going to click on the CBS updates. So I'll just click on it. It's going to open like this. So this is what I want you to see. If you want to make use of the email, you could just copy it there. Then you'll be getting your boss here. Right now, they say generate random password. Maybe you want a password, you can actually generate. Display incoming mail, you can actually display. Show QR code, you can actually do that. Now this is the fantastic place. You can see POP3 SMTP. All right, so if you want to use it, this one has to be premium to get, but click on it if you want to use it. So you are not subscribed to premium plan and are on a free plan, you get. So you are not. Remove advert. So if you subscribe, it's going to remove advert. So you can actually use this for your SMTP server. And look at the amount. Subscription plan monthly is just 600. If you want to do it yearly, auto renew is 3,600. Which one do you prefer to do? Do you understand? Which one do you prefer to do? So you can actually use this SMTP to spam, to do whatever, and it hits inbox. All right, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you share this video to somebody. There are people who need this video.